Hey guys, this is Mateo with WTI, and I want to talk to you about this awesome 7-inch screen radio that I just installed in my car. I personally love it because I think for the price, it's super affordable for all the functions it has. The one that I use the most is the Bluetooth functionality. It's pretty easy to set up, and it leaves your phone paired up with the radio all the time. So as soon as you get into your car, you turn it on, and the radio is already paired up with your phone. Something that I love about the radio is all the different inputs that it has to play your music. For example, it has a micro SD card input, it has an auxiliary input, a USB input, which also charges your phone when you connect it to it. So I think that's excellent. It gives you a lot of different options. I think this is an awesome radio for the price. It has so many different ways you can use it, and I love it. And that's my point of view.